Alright, so I promised you guys a ride in the Jeepster. It's nice out. Can I reverse this camera? Got dogs back here riding. Oh yeah, they love this thing. But as you see, I mean, we're in town right now. We're only doing a little over 30, but this thing's great. We're gonna hit the country roads here in a second. But, I mean, the thing is legit. Got check engine light on. And we gotta service our TPMS sensors. Almost 50 with her. Just like driving anything else. I mean, legitly, it's not like driving a 50s car. A lot less rattles. It's a lot smoother. It's a lot faster. Dogs love this thing. It's not bad. I mean, the gauges are all working. What gauges it has, it's only got a fuel gauge, temp gauge, tach, speedo. It's pretty basic stuff, but she's good. Definitely a beautiful night to ride. There you have it. Little Jeepster ride as promised. Probably on the RX-7 tomorrow night. We got I got some plug wires and coils coming for it, so we're gonna throw them on it and see if we can get the thing to bang a little bit. All right, y'all have a goody.